Nikupa, Sunpa, Chule Zanpa, Hichihi, Ninung Lam to Kisamkay, Van Winidin Hamsi na Suzing Ho kita alam na channel Nang dia apat na ahile subscribe in Chule, Achon na sale, like le sales on volume. Azichu, Nidin Hamsi na sang tan, Midan Ho, Noa Nikolai Mite Bangahin po, Noom taamang nalay, Hakichay ding le, PMT Kisumang ling, Hepanay lo, Zong, Bible step kisel bu, Uilung Ho, Amuchin Ho, Pakailam tu dia kigup na ding, Anay tay na diwin. Ipaume at ay dyan na ven, patinin ay makuising tawagan.
This incident happened on April 24th to 25th, 2026 in Afghanistan. Heavy rains and flooding have affected several provinces across the country. According to local authorities, at least 13 people have died and 9 others have been immured as a result of rains and floods in the past 24 hours. Residential buildings and infrastructure have been damaged. Incidents were recorded in the provinces of Kabul, Bamyan, Paktia, Ghor, Badghis, Balkh, Samangan, Saripur, Jawzjan, and Baghlan. 3 people were killed by flash floods in the Kinjan district of Baghlan province. In Badghis province, a roof collapse caused by heavy rainfall killed 5 people, 4 children and a woman, and immured 2 others. 94 residential buildings were destroyed and another 107 were partially damaged. A total of 424 families were affected. Amid ongoing spring rainfall, a series of floods and destruction have been reported across the country, with the extent of the damage still being clarified. This incident happened in Iraq. On April 25th, Iraq was hit by a powerful weather system, which brought several dangerous phenomena: torrential rains, hail, and a sandstorm. In Dhi Qar Province, heavy rainfall was accompanied by squalls with winds gusting up to 60 km per hour and hail. According to the local meteorological office, the highest rainfall was recorded in the city of Naziria, 45.2 mm, Ash-Shatra received 30.7 mm, Algeria 26.2 mm, Kalat Sukar 20.0 mm, Al-Fadliya 11.7 mm, and Arifai 3.0 mm. The storm caused localized damage, and footage of the severe weather quickly spread on social media. That same day, further south, in the Mutona province, another dangerous scenario unfolded: a powerful sandstorm. In the Samawa region, a gigantic wall of dust completely blocked out the sun, dramatically reducing visibility to 0. Day literally turned into night, and movement in the desert became extremely dangerous. This incident happened on April 25th, 2026 in Bayadh, Algeria. A historic storm with large hail struck the city of Bayadh and its surrounding area in western Algeria. The natural disaster resulted in significant accumulations of ice and flooding within the city. In Blida Governorate, civil defense units also worked intensively to pump water out of flooded homes in the municipality of Bayadh. This incident happened on April 25th to 26th, 2026 in northern Texas, USA. Severe storms struck northern Texas on the evening of April 25th, causing destruction and casualties. According to authorities, at least 2 people were killed, one in Wise County, Runaway Bay area, and the other in Parker County, south of Springtown. At least 6 more people were immured. The main impact of the storm hit on Saturday evening and continued into the night of April 26, when the worst of the damage was recorded. The most severe damage was reported in Runaway Bay. Homes were destroyed, roofs were torn off, trees and power lines were downed. About 20 families were left homeless. Preliminary estimates placed the winds at the level of an EF2 tornado. Many roads were blocked by debris, hampering emergency services. Tornado, large hail, and flood warnings were in effect for the region. Forecasters warn of continued unstable weather in the coming days. This incident happened on April 25 to 26, 2026 in Portugal. On April 25 to 26, heavy rains with hail occurred in central Portugal, causing localized flooding and traffic disruptions. On April 25, the most intense storm was observed in Tondela. During a football match at the Estadio João Cardoso, heavy rain and hail partially covered the field with a white layer. Local residents described it as a veritable flood. During the same period, video footage showed torrents of water cascading through the streets in the Benfeite area of the Arganil municipality, causing localized flooding.